Alright, here are the 2 yellow females that we have left. Her color doesn't show up very well, but Cookie is like a dark yellow, light fox red. She has a liver nose. And this one's Holly. She's a lighter yellow. And these 2 girls are ready to go. They're $1,200 each. They come with their AKC papers, and their 26-month guarantee on hips, elbows, and eyes. We've also tested the parents for EIC, CNM, PRA, DM, Cisterina, and RDOSD. So the puppies aren't affected by any of those common diseases. And these are the last little 2 girls left out of the English American litter. They're ready to go, so they can be picked up anytime. Very friendly puppies. They love attention. Now, guys. They're ready to go. Can you sit pretty? Can you sit pretty? How about you? Very friendly pups. They want to go out and play. Huh?